If you have one of these, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, or you're thinking about getting one and you're wondering, do I need lenses? We're gonna open these up today and we're gonna do a bunch of different test shots. We're gonna see. So I bought, there's like 2 separate sets, and guys, everything is linked down below. It's the one that everybody wants because it makes the footage coming out of here look more like cinematic, right? It softens your skin tone and all of that. And I did realize that this does come with 2 screen protectors that you put on here. And then this, what I love about these filters is that they snap right on, like this. And if you didn't see my last video where I was putting this screen protector on, do not put a screen protector on this, because if you do, apparently these things will not attach magnetically. First, we're gonna take them all out, and then we are gonna go do some tests and see if they're worth your money. And it comes with like 2 ND filters, a UV filter, a CPL filter. And if you're like me, you don't really know what much of that means, but I'm gonna test it and show you. All right, so these have multiple stops. This one is 1 through 5, this one is 6 through 9, and these are to be used in different lighting conditions so that, you know how sometimes when you're filming and you get that like very overexposed, you can use these to control the lighting. This, the CPL one, is to be used around like bodies of water, maybe if you're skiing, reflective type surfaces, and this UV filter is just to kind of tone down the UV light. And I do love that all of these snap in. This is magnetic. That's cool. It should be said that the DJI Osmo 3 does come with a wide lens that you can sort of, you know, pop in right there. And right there where it says Black Pro Mist, that's exactly what this is, the first one. So I love that it has an area where you can just store it on board. All right, so let's go test these things and have a look and see what we think. I'm gonna walk the same exact path with the different filters. So this is absolutely no filter, just natural lighting inside the house. And I do wanna capture the glare of the lights. Okay, now this is the wide angle that comes with the DJI. We're gonna go outside in a minute and do this exact same test in the bright sunlight. Okay guys, exact same. This is with the black diffusion filter. I turned the ND filter to 5, and then we're gonna go outside. This is with no lens. This is with the wide angle lens. All right, now we're gonna do it with the ND filter. This is set to 1. And you can see how overexposed that is. This is at 2. 3. This is at 4. And this is at 5. This is at 6. You see how those colors are getting more and more rich. This is 7. 8. And this is 9. This is the UV filter. So do you need these lenses for your DJI Osmo 3? No, you don't need them, but if you want to increase the versatility, the wide angle lens which comes with it, giving you the ability to shoot wider shots, that black mist filter is just this one right here, so beautiful for like diffusing. And then these for me are absolutely game changing for shooting anything outside. So for me, are these worth it? Yes, I'm thrilled with them. I don't think that most people probably need more than these 5 lenses, unless you're like some super cinematic guru, and then maybe you would need the other ones. But these are good basic filters to get anybody started with this camera. I'm very, very happy with them. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Which one do you think would be your favorite? If you guys enjoy videos about UGC and content creation tips and gear, leave me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.